Hello and welcome, guys. I will demonstrate something unusual today. In other words, I'm gonna teach you or teach those young guys how to do or how to make use of bubble gum. Alright, how to make balloons using a bubble gum. So what you need to do is you need to flatten the chewing gum against your palate and tongue. Okay, now what you need to do, put it around your tongue. And it works pretty well. Okay, so once more, let me be your bubblegum teacher. Let's flatten the gum. Okay, now put it around my tongue. Stretch it. And start blowing. In order to make a huge balloon, you need to be very, very gentle. In other words, don't blow too hard all of a sudden. Make small, gentle blowing movements. All right. Once more, guys. Okay. Obviously, making bubbles doesn't work with all chewing gums, so you need to choose a bubble gum, which is especially good for making balloons. And, well, practice makes perfect. So, remember to dispose of the gum into the waste bin. Don't throw it on the street, guys. Thanks for watching. This is your bubblegum teacher.